Okay, today we're going to learn how to write a persuasive essay. But before we get into the details, we have to know what it means to persuade. To persuade means to convince someone using arguments that are logical. To persuade is not shouting or speaking loudly so I can make my point. Looking at this picture, this is how most often people try to convince other others about what they feel or think. To persuade, just like you see here in this picture, like cooking, like driving, or like swimming, is a skill. So we have to know how to really do this because we're going to use it in the real world. How do I write a persuasive essay? The first thing you have to do is you need to choose an issue or a topic you want to support. It could be legalizing marijuana, or it could be something like assisted suicide. Once you have chosen your topic, now you have to give your opinion about the topic. You have to write what you know about it. The next thing you need to do is you need to research your topic. It is important to find out more information about what you're going to write. It is not enough just to write down your opinion. The next thing you need to do is you need to organize the information because you want your reader to follow your argument. The way you write the persuasive essay, you need to come up with 3 reasons that will support your topic. For example, let's look at the topic of school uniforms. This person says that students should wear school uniforms. And this person gives 3 reasons: discipline, responsibility, and work ethic. These are the reasons that this person feels why students should wear uniforms. And the way that you support the essay would be by supporting each reason. In this case, you will support a paragraph that talks about discipline, a paragraph that talks about responsibility, and a paragraph that talks about work ethic. So, writing the essay. In your introduction, you need to have a background. The background will consist of at least 4 sentences. And the last sentence of your introduction will have the 3 reasons that support your topic. An example of that would be something like shown here. School uniforms are helpful for students since they give them discipline, responsibility, and work ethic. The body of your essay will be 1 paragraph for each reason. In this case, discipline, responsibility, and work ethic. And finally, you have your conclusion, which basically will be a summary of your introduction. And there you have how you write a persuasive essay.